Hi kids, today we learn table of 11. Let's start.
Skillful children.
11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 sixes are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. So kids, now you repeat with me. 11 ones are 11.
11 ones are 11.
11 twos are 22.
11 twos are 22.
11 threes are 33.
11 threes are 33.
11 fours are 44.
11 fours are 44.
11 fives are 55.
11 fives are 55.
11 sixes are 66.
11 sixes are 66.
11 sevens are 77.
11 sevens are 77.
11 eights are 88.
11 eights are 88.
11 nines are 99.
11 nines are 99.
11 tens are 110.
11 tens are 110.
So kids, you do practice a lot. Thanks for watching.